Look at that.
Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're in my kitchen because I have a new mod for us to do. It's LED lights for the interior, just to make the inside seem more updated, and we'll see how that goes. Alright, the interior lighting kit is from One Way Light. I'm not sponsored by them by any way. They actually come with instructions. I mean, I won't be needing them because I'm a male and I won't read them. So we'll put those aside and we'll check out all this. Now, come over to my stove, and I had to buy these two bulbs separately. I wish the kit would have came with these bulbs. They're for the center console, like the drive lever and the 4-wheel drive stick. Alright, let's load these all back up in here and we'll go install them. Now, keep in mind, this is a windy day, so I'm going to try to stay inside here and talk. But the first ones I'm going to do are these. And I think for the 4-wheel drive one, you just pull up. And it looks like that's the case. As you guys can see, I got this out, and it's kind of floppy. That's because that tab broke, but it broke a long time before that, just from plastic being brittle. But alright, for a tip too, once you get the bulb in, make sure that it turns on like that, because LEDs are directional, and if they don't work when the first time, don't get pissed off. Just turn it around, and 99% of the time it will work. And I should have done it before, but that's now what it looks like. Alright, it was the exact same process. All you had to do is pull this out, and look, it's working. Alright, the next one are going to be these dome lights right here. That's what they look like now. And this one's filled with like bugs or something, so I'm going to try to clear it out here. See, dead bugs. That's gross. And I'll clean that out and I'll replace it, and I'll show you guys how. Alright, that's what the new one looks like. I'll show you how to do it on the next one, because I wasn't 100% sure myself, so I just wanted to make sure that I knew what I was doing. So I got where this little like dip is right here, and then I just pulled down. It's kind of hard to do with the camera in front of your face. So I did do it. It was kind of hard to do with the camera and this at the same time, but yeah, it's off. Now we just take out the bulb and replace it with the new one. I think it's the same process for this one. You'll just pop this panel off with some form of clip. Now this one was difficult for me to do because you gotta pull these two tabs, if it focuses, those two tabs together, and it hooks itself around this loop. But since my door was on for 30 minutes or 10 minutes, I burnt my finger because I'm an absolute moron. So now that I got like a 1st-degree burn, it still fucking hurt. And it's not really worth it for this light bulb. Even installing that was a pain in the ass, but it still only took me like 2 minutes. It just was tedious and kind of pissing me off. Now it is time for the floor lights, and these are easy because I had to take the passenger side one out because it actually wanted to start a fire. Don't know why, but I smelled burning each time the door opened for a while. But this one, you just go under here, you'll see the bulb, and then you just pull on it. That easy. You don't just pull out, you go up and then twist and then pull out, then it comes out, and then it's just the opposite. You push up and then you twist, and then you're done. So that's that. Alright, now look at that. That looks beautiful, so it shows off my dirty floors. So taking that thing down wasn't too bad, other than ripping off the whole dome light. I don't know why it cracks me up that I possibly could have broken this. But I got the plate off, so that's something, right? But yeah, all I did was I popped the light out with that, and then you just pop the new one back in. Right, so that's all of them. I'm blind now after trying to put that piece back in. I don't know why that's so tough. Now, I'm not sure what these are. Maybe the mirrors up front. We'll see. So, those lights go to the visor. I would have never thought that the kit would have came with those. So it gets an A+ on that part. But what you do is just pry these out, put on the bottom here with a screwdriver or your keys or something, and just replace the bulbs. Alright, so that's what those look like. They look fantastic. Now you just shove these back in there. Alright, so all I need to do now is just wait for nighttime. Alright guys, moment of truth. I say it's dark enough. Let's see. Oh my god, the ISO is not even doing it justice. It's a lot brighter in person. That is crazy. Oh, that's normal. Alright. This is where the changes are made. Oh my god, that is bright. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at that. Here's a comparison to factory, which I think looks alright.
Engage in a little meet and greet. Brothers from the hood, they call me a Mac. I give them some flack. They know I'm playing all that. To them, having a good time, feeling so high.